In this video, I'll show you how to erase all TikTok data. It's going to be a step-by-step video. This video is really for educational purposes only. So if you love to erase your own data, just go to your TikTok settings, tap on the privacy. Tap on the account. Yeah. So you're going to see deactivate or delete your account. So tap on it. So this is going to load up for you. Then you need to tap on delete account permanently. So your account and content will be deleted permanently. So this is what you need to do. Tap on it. So wait for it to load up. So you need to tap on the skip. So you need to tap on, if you delete your account, you release service permanently. Tap on it. Tap on continue. So wait for this to load up. So from here, don't request any download. Just tap on this. Then tap on continue. Then you need to delete your TikTok account. So if you didn't request the download, you can't be able to get the data again. You're going to delete all TikTok data from your own personal account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you like, share, and subscribe.